All right, one-handed. Two-handed. I lied. We lost it. Oh, there we go. Okay, and then these guys. There's the two little fingers. That's it. It just clicks in. That's pretty cool. And then this wire, you gotta give it a little bit of a That's it. Alright. So there's a little bit of a stiffness on this guy. I wonder if I can bend it so it's not so aggressive. Oh, it's easy. It just kind of tucks there. I'm not taking it back off, so I'm just going to put it on and hope for the best. This one, I think it goes like this. That's a fit and finish right there. Wow, it just is really loud and angry. All right. Let's start it up, see if it actually works. Oh, why am I on 2 on Zoom? Ugh. That probably just ruined my video. Alright. Windshield wipers. That was a nest, so they're off. We're gonna go delay. Long delay, but they don't park. I'm gonna go one more. Okay, still working. We're gonna go low. I'm gonna go, well, that's high. So the printing is a little off, but I can let that slide. I do it unvisualized anyway, slow. Alright. Now if I hit cruise control, the cruise control light should turn on. But I don't think that actually is how it works. I don't know, it's supposed to be up in the, I think you have to actually be driving and doing like 30 miles an hour for it to work. So if we turn it off and just go on, it doesn't come up with a test light, but I think it's right. I remember it being somewhere in there. It's like top right. All right, let's go test drive.